Hello and welcome everyone. 2026 is here, and if you are trying to run Google Ads the same way you used to run in 2023, 2024, or 2025, then you are wrong, because Google Ads in 2026 is completely different. It's more about AI, it's more about signals, it's more about intent, and it's more about content. So if you focus on four of these things plus working on comparator analysis to see what your competitors are doing, you can win. But to win, you also need to work on analytics, conversion tracking, deep. You also need to work on analytics, conversion tracking, and deep insights of how users are interacting with your website. When AI started, I used to think that it won't work well on Google Ads. But I was wrong, because with latest advancements in AI, search max campaigns, performance max, shopping, and smart bidding with broad match, the things have been changed. And AI is no longer an option, but it's now a compulsory strategy to be the part of your complete marketing strategy to have it involved. The game starts with intent of the visitor who searched on a specific query, and if you know the intent behind every query, you are going to win. Why? Because intent tells you what customer have in his mind when he is searching a particular thing. And if you are able to learn that, then you can automatically deliver that. And with the AI advancements, your ad copy can automatically replicate what the user has in his mind. So that is why I recommend using AI along with advanced conversion tracking bidding strategies to meet. Plus, if you work with us in 2026, why we assure you that we are going to be the one of the best Google Ads management company in 2026 for you is because we offer advanced fraud click detection service. We work on competitor analysis. We look around through various tools on what your competitors are doing and how we can win of them. Plus, we help clients in optimizing their campaigns. Our staff is Google certified, and we are a full-fledged Google party company. And I'm running Google Ads from the last 18 years, and my 18 years of experience will be involved in managing your campaigns. Will make your 2026 the best by working with us. So yeah, we look forward working with you. We are a UAE-based agency to help you in optimizing your Google Ads in 2026. So if you need our services, let's get started. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and let's get to win your Google Ads in 2026 by optimizing your campaigns, understanding your competitors, helping you with landing pages, quality score optimization, ad rank optimization. So we are for the best company in UAE, and we look forward to working with you. So yeah, thank you.